you so much for joining me. My name is Roz with Done Right Bookkeeping Services. And what I want to share with you today is a discount for using QuickBooks software. So if you're a small business owner and you're looking for a software to actually help automate the bookkeeping process, the inventory process, the invoicing process, payroll process, this is something I want to have you take a look at. So let me go ahead and share my screen. And as you're watching this video, if you can go ahead and give me a thumbs up, go ahead and comment. You can ask a question if you have one as well. And make sure you subscribe to the channel wherever you may be viewing from. So this is QuickBooks, and I'm actually going to have my affiliate link in the description area wherever you may be viewing this, to actually provide for you a save 30% on QuickBooks for 6 months. Okay, so QuickBooks is a great software to be able to use to really help automate the bookkeeping process as you're building your business, as you're starting your business, as you're growing your business. This is a great tool to actually use. So pretty much for every level of business. A freelancer, you can save 90% for 6 months or for 6 months. Okay. And there's different features or just different opportunities within each one of these different levels of the QuickBooks services that they offer. So you have the freelancers, you have small business owners, maybe you only need, a limited amount of tracking. Maybe you don't have inventory. Maybe you don't need as many reports to run on a weekly or monthly, quarterly, or yearly basis. Not a problem. We have the Simple Start. We have Essentials. The Plus is the most popular. And these are monthly subscriptions as well. So very convenient, because all you have to do is connect your bank account with the QuickBooks, and then I can actually pull in all of your transaction from your business bank account into your QuickBooks account. So this is an opportunity to really help automate the process. And I remember back in the day, it was a matter of, you had a ledger, a physical ledger that you would actually write in. Your debits, your credits, every single transaction that you would write. So this is an opportunity to really help streamline that bookkeeping process. Okay. So you can look through here, and based on what your requirements are for your business, this is something that you can go through and see what's a good fit for you. We also have the payroll opportunity here too. So if you have employees, this is a great add-on feature for you. And there's 3 different levels of service that you can select from. So this is what I wanted to share with you today. I'm actually, like I said before, I'm going to have my link in the description area so you can get that 30% discount off of this software. So let me jump back over here. I'm going to have also my 15-minute consultation that I'll offer people to see if they, exactly what their business requires. If they need assistance, I can actually help walk you through exactly what's going to be required to upload into your QuickBooks feed. If you have depending on your entity, I can provide you with that information as far as what's going to be required for you to upload what you need on hand. I'm also going to do a video about that, because I know quite a few people have asked me about those things. So I'm going to do a video, because I love the interaction. I love the questions, because that gives me an opportunity to address those questions in a video. So go ahead and pop your questions into the feed, and I will definitely respond back to you, and possibly create a video to show you exactly the process and how to navigate the process of based on that question. So I also, like I said, I do videos. So if you click on the link in the description area, you're going to actually see my YouTube channel where I give tips and strategies on bookkeeping, as well as how to navigate the QuickBooks software. So you can actually, just check that out as well, and subscribe to the channel, because I release videos out on a weekly basis, giving small business owners, this information, so to help them navigate the process of the big bookkeeping. Because I know some people, you're like, no, I don't want to do bookkeeping. I don't want to be dealing with the numbers. But if you're a small business owner, if you're a business owner, that's something that's required. You want to know what's income is coming in. You want to know what's going out. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and follow or subscribe to the channel. God bless, and I wish you much success. Bye-bye.